I just wanted to say Happy Thanksgiving. And we're gonna eat at my aunt's house. We're gonna have a party there. Man, I wish I could.
I'm not leaving anything to
Let's
chance.
see where my blue is. Mom, where's Blue? Where is he? Oh, he's playing. Oh, Blue. Blue. Bailey's not there, sweetheart. Bailey ain't there. Ow. Sweetheart. Blue. Blue. My God, right here. Or something. I'm sorry. I might put you like right there. I'm gonna be chasing Blue. Okay. I don't know where to stop you. Oh yeah. Thank you, Potts. Blue. Leave. Why aren't you on? Love you. You mean to me. That's better. Blue! No! Mom! 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 Sorry. I'm so scared now. I'm gonna let Luce stay in the porch. Maybe not. My cousin's gonna die soon. No, she might die. She might not die. I don't know. Because I'm really scared. Hello! I want you here. How you doing? Don't record me.
I was working out my halftime routine with the band.
It's showing half of him.
Oh, he talks?
Yeah.
Yeah, he talks.
I'm trash. Come here.
I'm pretending you've been kidnapped by Miss Glendale. It's the perfect prank. They're gonna get in a ton of trouble. Now I can't be a part of the pep rally. Right. Which will make your triumphant return at the big game that much more dramatic. Think about it. The heroic mascot, having escaped from the evil clutches of his tormentors, refuses to
Yes.
accept
Who wants to go out? Girl, who wants to go out?
Out of the room.
Yeah, out of there.
Okay, Blue. Hey, don't chase your tail, buddy.
What happened? I'll say.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Just too painful to talk about.
I'm adopting.
Shut the toilet. Get a drink out of there.
He's a terrier.
Different colors of hair.
Mom.
He's a terrier? Yeah.
But he's not
Daddy?
but he's not with his cousin. Because he's like a different kind of terrier. He doesn't look like a terrier.
You steal my dog,
I steal your pig.
I am risking everything. I'm going for balls.
She stole a pig and went 4 balls. This is bad. But it's still not the bad thing.
Stan? You're okay? Thank goodness, I'm so worried about you. What happened?
It's just too painful to talk about. Stan was never gone. It was a prank. To mess with their minds.
What was I thinking? I took this huge risk, and now I'm gonna be expelled. I won't get into law school, and I definitely won't become the first juggling president.
Yep, I'm using the iPhone.
You guys want to go for a ride in the new car?
You were upside down. I know.
Cup holders in each one. What is a pig doing in our family room?
Hey, look at that, a pig. I love my new pig.
This is not.
He loves everything.
What happened?
Ow!
And Stan got, the dog's name is Stan, and Stan got her Chloe a pony.
Zach, can you come from downstairs?
I'm naming him Big Murray. No, you're missing the big picture.
I farted.
Me too.
Big picture.
I just think
Zach, get dressed because we're gonna play Hit Me Wheels or Eevee. So get dressed. I'm playing Eevee or something else. Can your pets? No, I played that because I looked up it. I know what happened at the end. He got killed. If you're watching this, don't. Cause I'm not. Yeah, I played King of Pet. Oh, hi, Blue. Did you took a dump in my room? Oh, you did, didn't you? You barked at me. Look at it. Look at the doggy. Okay. Did you took a dump? Why'd you came out of my room? Did you do something, buddy? I'm scared now. Get dressed, get dressed. You can't see Isabella. You don't know what she looks like. Ow! He bites me a lot and I like it. Look at him. Look at him. Look at the camera. Don't show your butt. Come here, look. Look at the camera. Oh, he's trying to rip my pants off. Yeah, he's a good dog. But he pooed on my bed. On my bed. What are you doing, buddy? Huh? What you doing? Don't bite my face like you did before. Oh, he bite my face almost in the eye. Nope. Don't grab those stuff. Okay, okay. Who's gonna get that in the camera? Just water. Oh, you burped. He burped. Oh, he sees the camera. He's like, what the heck is that? It's going black on me. I'm sorry, Lou. It's just the camera's going black on me. No! Ew, it's wet. Why is it wet? It's nibbling. Oh my god, what's going on? It's Slender here. Men. I meant man. Ah! He scared me. Ow, my elbow. My funny bone. My funny bone doesn't work because I always hit it. Third grade, I always hit it. You probably know what grade I am. Oh yes, come up here, buddy. I'm sorry. He got scared. Look. See, he's scared. Go in the room. Oh, you can stay with me. There. No, it didn't hurt that much. He nibbles me sometimes. Like he nibbled me today. Did I say happy Thanksgiving? Because today's Thanksgiving. He looks fake on the camera. Yeah, no, it's not working. Ah! Shut the door. Look out for his dog. Look at baby. Get up. Ooh. Wrestling. Ooh. Get up, we were just playing. He's blowing you.
Big Murphy's mommy.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, let me see how tall I am compared to you.
Mom,
Let's
oh, I'm going down. So sad. You can try it too. No! Oh yeah, try it. He grabbed it. Oh my god. No! Okay. I want you, come here, to try this on. No! No! We need to get him. Thomason did. No! Ah! Yeah, you better drop that thing. I love my doggy. Don't play with him that much because I'm always busy. Ah! My eye. Did I tell you I was going to a party? I might record it. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's trying to get it. Look at that. I gotta go buy.